Hello friends, welcome to our Ayurvedic channel. Today we will learn health benefits of beetroot. Beetroot helps in controlling blood sugar level and increase your sexual stamina. It also acts as a natural food color. You can take beetroot in the form of salad, juice, halwa. Now what benefits you can get from these beautiful color vegetables? Beetroot contains high amount of folic acid. This nutrition is important for pregnant women and their unborn children as it helps in the formation of the spinal cord of the unborn child. Beetroot gives extra energy to pregnant women. Beetroot is a good source of nitrates. When consumed, it turns into nitrates and gas nitric oxide. Both these elements help in widening the arteries and reducing blood pressure. Researchers have also found that eating 500 grams of beetroot every day reduces a person's blood pressure in about 6 hours. Beetroot is red-purple in color. It is a powerful antioxidant. It helps in reducing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, due to which cholesterol does not get deposited in the arteries. They reduce the risk of heart attack. Beetroot contains the mineral silica. Due to the element, the body is able to use calcium effectively. Calcium is essential for the health of our teeth and bones. Therefore, by drinking a glass of beetroot juice a day, you can avoid osteoporosis and other problems related to bones and teeth. People who have diabetes can satisfy their craving for sweets by eating beetroot. The advantage of eating it is that even after satisfying the craving for sweets, it does not increase your blood sugar level because it is a glycemic index vegetable. This means that it releases sugar in the blood very slowly. It has very low calories and it being fat-free also make it a perfect vegetable for diabetes patients. Grind beetroot leaves with henna and apply it on hair to stop hair fall. For more such information, like the video and subscribe to the channel.